How to send a video message in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to send a video message in Telegram in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Telegram, okay, and once you're in your Telegram, you're going to go into any channel, group, or chat you have. So let's say I'm going to go in this channel, or this channel, whatever, whatever one you want to go in. And once you're in here, on the left hand side you're going to see a paperclip, so you're going to click on that paperclip, and then obviously you're gonna you could give it access to your photos, you can not give it access to your photos, whatever you want. But obviously we're here to make a video, so we're going to go on camera and click on video. Then you're just going to make whatever type of video you want, okay? So just make your video over here. So for example, I'm going to make mine. So there we go, we now have a video, so just click on send, and there you go. That's how you are going to be sending video messages in Telegram in the easiest way possible. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.